Christmas tree. It's like mid-November. Oh, okay. Well, that means that shutdown season is upon us. Now, for those that aren't aware, shutdown season essentially means an extended period of time where large corporations, manufacturing facilities, and anything commercial is hence shut down. During this time, what they do is essentially focus on all of the possible damage that's been going on within their facilities and taking care of it near the end of the year during the extended holiday break. Typically end of December to early January. During this time, like I said, they mainly do anything from small repairs all the way to installations of brand new flooring systems. Now, what does this mean to you as a contractor? What this means is you should be utilizing this time right now to begin relationships with facilities managers, try to enter bids in order to score a possible large job. Now, where do we come in? We'll be able to help you with your product estimates, have custom specifications written, as well as give you an accurate idea of what your cost and material would be per square foot. That being said, let's go over some popular flooring systems. So, during shutdown season, obviously you can install any type of floor, but we found that the top 3 floors would be a solid color floor, basically solid color, neat, nothing too fancy. It's perfect for warehouses, storage facilities, forklift traffic, and it offers good chemical resistance as well. Another popular option would be a silica broadcast floor that offers enhanced anti-skid capabilities as well as very high impact resistance, perfect for shop floors or anywhere there's going to be a lot of moisture or possible slip hazards. The third one would be a urethane cement, which is able to withstand thermal shock. Basically, cold floor is able to withstand the boiling hot temperatures of water without having a system failure. That's very popular over in, let's just say, breweries or slaughterhouses, anywhere there would be rapid temperature change with hot water. So now you know the basics. Thank you so much for your time. Again, get a jump on shutdown season, and I'll see you next time. Now, what does this mean to you? No.
Don't give me blue steel.
All right.